First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Boyet, and I am from the beautiful country, the Philippines. I have completed my bachelor degree in secondary education from Zamboanga State College of Marine Sciences and Technology. Currently taking my master's degree at the same school. I took and passed the licensure examination for teachers with an average of 80%. Now, I am a public school teacher too at Zamboanga City High School, Maine for 5 years teaching Filipino language in 7th grade sections 10. I have experience teaching English, music, arts, physical education, health, and even history for several years in different learning modality, online or face-to-face. I am a division speaker in journalism and at the same time a coach in science and technology writing and collaborative desktop publishing. My strength is hardworking, self-motivated, positive thinker, and passionate to my work. My weakness is I am an emotional person. My hobbies are singing and reading books. Lastly, I am a quick learner. That's all about me. Thank you.